Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: an active internet connection, an admin user, and the Microsoft account linked to the license. Once done, open Word as administrator and check the account menu for the signed-in identity. Make sure the subscription or product key matches the install. Next, run Windows Update to rule out missing components, then use Office's built-in activation troubleshooter to attempt a quick repair. This uncovers common permission or connectivity blockers early so you can proceed confidently. Now move into manual repair. First, run a quick repair from Programs and Features, and if that fails, choose Online Repair because it reinstalls core activation components. Then open an elevated command prompt and run the Office licensing script to view status. For example, use cscript osp. VBS/D status to see installed keys. If stale keys appear, remove the old key with the unregister command and re-enter the correct product key or sign in again, then run cscript osp. Finish by restarting Windows and relaunching Word, then check File Account for a clear product activated message. This verifies success. If activation still fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to automate fixes or fully uninstall and reinstall Office to reset activation components. Make sure to remove any cached work or stored credentials in Windows Credential Manager and then re-add your Microsoft account. This one troubleshooting tip resolves many silent sign-in issues that block activation, saving you time before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.